In this video, I will show you how to change preferences on Coffee Meets Bagel. Open the Coffee Meets Bagel app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Now tap on Preferences for Suggested. This is where you can set the type of people you're looking for. Go ahead and enter your preferences, such as gender, age range, distance, ethnicity, religion, and your relationship goals. These filters help Coffee Meets Bagel send you better matches in the Suggested tab. If you scroll down, you will also see some extra options under Premium. Things like matching by education or activity level, depending on your plan. Once you've set everything, just back out. Your preferences are automatically saved. And that's how you customize your search on Coffee Meets Bagel.